Podia webinar tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a webinar using Podia and also how you'll be able to make money with your webinar on Podia. To get started is completely free, as all you'll need to do is go onto podia.com. From there, you're going to tap on start your free trial. After doing that, you're going to create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, what I want you to do next, once you're on your Podia dashboard, you're going to select products from the top navigation bar, then select new product, and you're going to select webinar. So you're going to select webinar, then you can type in the webinar name. So let's say, for example, I'll just call this webinar tutorial. Then I'm going to tap on create product. After you have selected create product, you will be redirected to your webinar dashboard. And from here, you will see numerous options. You can either choose to set up your webinar using Zoom or YouTube Live, and you can also scroll down and paste in your YouTube Live link right there. Or if it is a Zoom webinar, you could paste in your Zoom webinar link. So you could select Zoom, and from there you could tap on start with Zoom, and you could set up your webinar using Zoom. So whichever one of these platforms you plan on using, you can easily set it up using Podia. After doing that, you can choose when you would want to go live with your webinar. So you can select the start date, and you can also choose the time. Then you can select the end date, and you can choose the time right there, and you could type in your instructions. After doing that, you can see the replay video will be made available to your customers once the webinar has finished, and you can select that right there. So this is where the replay video will be added, so you can tap on choose video once you are finished recording your webinar, and you could upload your webinar right there. After doing that, you can also choose to set up reminders, or you can untick them, and that's how you'll be able to set up your webinar. Once you're finished doing that, you can now edit your sales page. To do this, you'll scroll back up, tap on edit sales page from the top right hand corner, and at the moment this is how your sales page looks. To get started, you can simply tap on anywhere on the page, and if it is a case that you would like to change the image or the text, you can do that from the left hand column. So from here you could choose to either upload an image, or you could choose to upload a video. Let's say, for example, I would like to add a video instead of just having this random image right there. So I'm going to tap on upload from computer, and I'm just going to be adding this for example's sake. And you can see how it looks once it has been uploaded. Also, you can add alt text by selecting alt text right there. You could add alt text. You can also scroll down, and if you would like to add a description, you can do that. You can also change the sign up button, so you could do that right there. And you can also choose whether you like to display the price or not, or if you like to display the start date, or if you'd like to hide it. You have numerous options that you can choose from. Once you're finished, you'll tap on design, and from there you'll be able to change the aspect ratio, and also you can change the theme color by tapping on theme. So if you would like it to be bright, for example, you could select bright. If you would like it to be in dark mode, you can select dark mode. You can select light. You have a few options that you can choose from. You can also change the background image in the bottom left hand corner if you want. So that's how you'll be able to edit your sales page. And if we were to tap on the plus right here, you can see different sections that you can quickly insert. So whether you like to add an about section by tapping on about, then you can see different templates that you could use. Let's say we were to select this one, you can see an about section has been added, and you can go over to the bottom left hand corner to edit it. You can also put in your respectful social links right there if you want, and you can tap on the plus once more. And if you like to add an FAQ section, an email form to collect emails, a link, or so on, or a product, you can select products right there, and you'll be able to add a product that you have created using Podia. So that's how you'll be able to create your sales page. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your sales page will now be live. So if we were to tap on view site, This is how it looks at the moment. Remember, I've added the image, and you can scroll down and you'll see the About Me page. So this is the sales page, and this is how persons would tap right here, and then once they pay, they'll automatically be signed up. Or if you leave it on free, they can tap on Get Now, and they'll be able to access your webinar. And talking about pay, to get pay on Podia or to charge persons using Podia, you'll need to sign up to one of the payment providers. So either you'll need to sign up to Stripe or PayPal. To do this, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on your profile pic or your initials, then you're going to tap where you see settings. After selecting settings, I want you to select payments, and from here you can tap on payments once more, and you'll be able to connect your Stripe account and your PayPal account. After you have done that, you'll be able to edit your checkout page, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button